I don't know, is there a special way to take these out?
No,
just with my hands?
Look. Oh.
Today, I'm at the Out Market in Lisbon to meet with Marlene Vieira, one of the most renowned female chefs in Portugal. Her unique cuisine style is heavily influenced by her northern roots and the use of traditional ingredients. And this is one of the top-rated seafood dishes at her food corner. So I'm super excited. I get to be your sous chef today.
Okay.
And what are you going to be teaching me to make?
Okay, I'm going to make a cockle rice. It's like a risotto, but the flavors is too much Portuguese.
Too much?
Yes, because we're gonna use the garlic and olive oil and the lemon and the coriander, typical, a Portuguese typical, but in the south of the country, we use these ingredients for everything.
Did you know that cockles are a traditional London dish? In the East End of London, it's like a very traditional food because you can still collect them by the river.
What idea?
Yeah.
Oh, it's very Portuguese too.
So you just put them in the shells?
Yeah. Yeah.
With the garlic and the olive oil?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Now we're gonna use my wine.
Yeah.
I have a wine.
You have a special wine. Oh, it's actually your wine.
Yes, my wine.
Oh my God, that's amazing. I want a wine.
It's very fresh and a little bit of sweet.
Yeah, it's good.
It's perfect for this rice.
Yeah.
And for drink too.
Do you like to drink while you cook?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
You have to wait till they're open?
Yes, a little bit.
And if they don't open, are they not good?
Not good, yes.
Okay, good to know.
So I have a job for you.
Yes,
okay?
I love a job.
Your job, take out the cockle without the shell.
Okay.
Okay.
So would you sometimes make this for your family, or is this a good date dish?
Family is very, I think it's very complicated.
Yeah.
No good.
Not good.
But in the date, yeah,
very
it's
good.
perfect.
It's kind of like,
yes.
Hey, look at my skills. If I was cooking this in London, would I still use swordfish or would I use something different?
Let me think. I think it's a tuna or swordfish.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm gonna cry.
Yeah, I can feel it. Is there any tips for not crying?
Just washing in a lot of water for not crying.
Okay, a lot of water.
Yes. One hand for one people, 2 hands for 2 people.
Yeah, so one hand is for one person. I never knew that.
Yes.
Yeah, don't forget to keep stirring.
You are a good sous chef.
See?
Very good, very good. We never put a lot of stock. If you put a lot of water, it's not creamy, okay?
No.
It's not creamy,
Okay.
it's not good. It's perfect. We need to use the hands.
Sounds good too. You always use your hands?
Oh yeah, the sounds is perfect.
Yeah.
And use your hands.
Why?
Because you need to touch the food.
Okay.
Not your fingers, okay?
No.
Please.
Is there a special way like this?
Yes, yeah. Oh, very good.
I've seen a few programs. Okay.
It's good.
Oh my God, that's so good.
Yeah.
I didn't think I liked any of those.
This is a Portuguese food.
It's so good.
It's Portugal. This is a Portugal.
This is the taste of Portugal.
Yeah. Yes.